and it has 600 brake horsepower. Been allowed a seat in the crazy Mustang. Incredible thing, this. Wow. This is a pretty good birthday present, isn't it? This thing's insane. An incredible sound. Most American things are loud and slow, but this is loud and quick. Absolutely mad thing. The best sounding cars of the year so far, I think. Wow. And it has 600 brake horsepower. Wow, what a thing! It looks like the Mustang baby going again. Oh yes. I've never wanted to hear a car more than this. Never have I anticipated a car, even a car show, more than this Mustang. It's an incredible thing. Oh yes. I'm looking forward to this. I'm just going to leave the camera recording actually. It's got a lovely idle. Oh, the Morgan's leaving. Oh, is it a rev battle? I'm running to get the Mustang. Speed.